highlight an object in Premiere Pro. Add the brightness and contrast effect to your clip, and in the Effects and Tools, decrease the brightness and contrast value to your liking. Now click on the circular mask option and enable inverted. Now everything inside the mask will be highlighted. Now position the mask on your object and resize it if necessary. To track the object, make sure you are at the start of the clip and then create a keyframe for mask path. Then move forward a bit and adjust the mask to follow your object. And continue doing this the entire clip. And this is how it looks right now. You can also adjust the mask feather to smoothen out the mask, or change the mask size using the mask expansion value. To fade in and out the object highlight effect, make sure you are at the start of the layer, and then create a keyframe for brightness and contrast. Now select the keyframes and move them forward a bit, and then reset both values. To create the fade out effect, move to the point you want it to happen, and then create a keyframe for brightness and contrast. Then move forward a bit and reset both values. We have now created this object highlight effect. And if you want the exact project file, comment project and I'll DM it to you.